We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
The Chen family compound in Zhutian Township's Futian village is at the center of the village itself. It's a typical Hakka settlement of houses built around a main central hall. For a visitor, it's like a maze with its narrow alleys between high walls. One part of the compound is a testament to the Hakka belief in Wang Ye brought with the family from the mainland. The Ziqi Tang, literally the Purple Winds Hall, has several statues of Wang Ye, and the courtyard is the site of large ritual offerings at the Wang Ye festival.
Hello and welcome to another exciting edition of our Hakka lesson of the day. 我係大胃王。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Now today we're going to talk about what? 今天我们来讲什么？
教大家較簡單嘅，拄到人嘅時節，我講，每人講，今幾禮拜幾啊
Okay, so today we're going to talk about days of the week. We're going to talk about 禮拜一、禮拜二、禮拜三、禮拜四、禮拜五、禮拜六、禮拜天。Okay, 禮拜一。
禮拜一。
哇，那很簡單 ，simple。禮拜一。That's Monday.
禮拜一。
禮拜一。Tuesday.
禮拜二。
禮拜二 that is Tuesday 禮拜二 Wednesday 禮拜三
禮拜三
禮拜三 it's an M sound 禮拜三 okay 禮拜四 Thursday
禮拜四
禮拜四 like A B C 禮拜四 okay
禮拜四
okay Friday weekend is here Friday 怎麼講
禮拜五
禮拜五禮拜五 that means Friday. Saturday
禮拜六
禮拜六就是禮拜六禮拜六禮拜天
禮拜日
禮拜日 This is when people take a day off on Sunday. Okay, 禮拜天就是禮拜日。Okay, one more time from 禮拜一到禮拜天 from Monday through Sunday.
幫你講
換我講禮拜一
禮拜一啦
禮拜一 Okay, I guess we're going to do this some other time. 我們的時間已經差不多了 We're wrapping things up here. Once again, Monday through Sunday. It's kind of difficult, but I like it. We'll see you next time.
張來了按字些
Thank you very much. We'll see you next time.
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.